Welcome viewers. In today's mathematics, we are given if x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. Then to find the value of x where x is element of real numbers, where x is real. Let us solve. Solution. Given the question x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 equal to 2. First and foremost, I'll have it x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 minus 2 equal to 0. Moving 2 from the right to the left. As it is now, I can express x raised to the power 6 as x raised to the power 3 also raised to the power 2, then minus x raised to the power 3 minus 2 equal to 0, because by the law of exponents or laws of indices, if I multiply 3 by 2, I will still get 6. So it is the same. Now let x raised to the power 3 be equal to n. Meaning anywhere I see x raised to the power 3, I will represent it with the letter n. Therefore, I have it here n raised to the power 2, then minus n also minus 2 should be equal to 0. It has become a quadratic equation. Therefore, I can use any of the methods of quadratic equation to solve it, but preferably let us go by factorization method. Two numbers I can multiply and get minus 2, and when I add that two numbers, I will get minus 1. That numbers can be minus 2 and positive 1, because minus 2 times 1 will give me minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 will give me minus 1. So these two values can be used in factorizing the quadratic equation. Therefore, I will replace minus n with these two values to give me n squared minus 2n, then plus n, then minus 2 is equal to 0. I am now doing factorization. Alright, so common in these two brackets, common in the first bracket is n, so that I can now have n minus 2. And in the second bracket, what is common is plus 1, so that I also have n minus 2 equal to 0. Alright, you can see the brackets are the same, so that I have n minus 2 using the ones I have outside the bracket, which is here n, and then here plus 1, all equal to 0. Remember product rule that if I have x and y equal to 0, it means that x is equal to 0 and also y is equal to 0. What this implies is that from these two brackets equal to 0, the first bracket, which is n minus 2, is equal to 0, and the second bracket also, which is n plus 1, is equal to 0. From the first bracket I have it n is equal to 2. The first value of n. And from the second bracket, I also got it that n should be equal to negative 1. Good. But then, there is something we said here. We said let x raised to the power 3 be equal to n. Now that I have gotten n, I will replace the values of n in the position of n here in order to find the value of x that is real. That is what exactly the question has asked me to solve. Therefore, when n is equal to 2 from here, I have got x raised to the power 3 equal to n. If n is 2, I have x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. Meaning that to remove this x, I can say x raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 over 3, and by the right hand side 2 raised to the power 1 over 3. Therefore 3 can cancel out 3, giving me x equal to 2 raised to the power 1 over 3, which is the same thing as cube root of 2. The first value of x is out, which is real. Cube root of 2 is a real number. Also, when n is equal to negative 1, from here I will get x raised to the power 3 is equal to negative 1. Okay, if I move this negative 1 to the to the left hand side, it will give me x raised to the power 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Very good. Now, at this point, we have to go carefully, and what this means is that I want you to see, note, x raised to the power 3 plus 1 can be expressed as x plus 1 multiplying x squared, then minus x plus 1. Very good. If we expand these two brackets, it is going to give us exactly x raised to the power 3 plus 1. Therefore, I am going to replace x raised to the power 3 plus 1 with these two brackets. And from here, it therefore implies that I can now have it brought down as x raised to the power 3 plus 1 can now be written as x plus 1 multiplying x squared minus x plus 1 then equal to 0. Very good. Okay, still using the same product rule, that in the first bracket is equal to 0 and the second one is equal to 0. So I can now take the first one, x plus 1 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to minus 1. This is a real solution. Okay, so we have gotten two values where x is equal to cube root of 2 and where x is also equal to negative 1. Now we come to the second bracket. We want to find out if it will give us real solution. Now, from x raised to the power 2 minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Let's see if it is going to give us real solution. Therefore, I can now use discriminant. If the discriminant is less than 0, it will give us a complex solution. And where it is equal to 0 or greater than 0, it will be a real solution. So let's find out. From here, discriminant says that it is b squared minus 4ac. And from here, a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is 1. So therefore, minus 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is also 1. This is going to give me 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. Implying that the discriminant is less than 0. The discriminant here is equal to negative 3. So it means that this second quadratic equation, which is the second bracket here, will give us a complex solution. But we are interested in real solutions. In conclusion, the values of x that are real are 2 raised to the power 1 over 3 and negative 1. Just to pick one, let us find out if the answers we got when replaced into the given question, if the two sides of the equation will satisfy, that is, if they will be equal. Therefore, check result. Want to find out, check result. When x is equal to 2 power 1 all over 3. But I am given here that x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. Now, anywhere that is x, I will replace cube root of 2. Okay, that means here I will have cube root of 2, which is 2 to the power of 3, then to the power of 6 minus x, which is 2 to the power of 1 over 3, then to the power of 3. Will this be equal to 2? That is what we want to find out. If the two equations, two sides of the equation will satisfy. But from here, if we multiply 1 over 3 by 6, it is going to give us 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. So what it means is that this 3 cancel 6 will give us 2, leaving us with 2 raised to the power 2, minus 3 cancel 3 will give us 2. Will this be equal to 2? That is what we want to find out. Here is 4 minus 2. Will it be equal to 2? Yes, 2 is equal to 2. So, it means that the first solution satisfies the given question. Good. We check the second one when x is equal to negative 1. When x is equal to minus 1. Alright. What it means is that from here, x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3, is this equal to 2? So when x is minus 1, I have minus 1 raised to the power 6 minus minus 1 raised to the power 3. Will this be equal to 2? Also, whenever negative 1 is raised to the power even number, it will definitely give us an even value. Okay, that is even. The value minus 1 will be positive 1. What I'm saying is that minus 1 raised to the power even number will give us positive 1. So therefore here I got 1. Also, minus 1 raised to the power an odd number will give us negative 1. Minus this minus, then minus 1 raised to the power odd number will give us minus 1. Will this be equal to 2? Alright, you can see minus times minus will give us plus. So we have 1 plus 1. Is this equal to 2? Okay, therefore this is actually equal to 2. Okay, confirming that the two solutions are very correct. Therefore, in conclusion, the values of x are truly equal to cube root of 2 and x2 equal to negative 1. These are the real solutions. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. God bless you.